Yes, sir. President, sir. Sri
Yes,
Raman.
Shishir. Yes, Shishir. I was on mute.
Right. So, two problems shared, solutions, and if you have any solution right away, please let me know. And any all the board members, please, your suggestions are most welcome. We need it right now, and this is a big problem that we are facing. And
Shishir, I think we need some time because this is the first time we have, come up with you are sharing a concern, right? Where we need to think and come up with a viable solution which can actually work. So I think if it's okay with everybody, we should have a discussion on group, some suggestions, and maybe by next meeting we should come up with a final proposition, how to take it. Because I don't think immediate solutions will work out.
yeah, definitely. In fact, we can discuss that in next meeting, or whatever comes to your mind. We can constantly have suggestions coming into the group,
Right.
and our objective is to make the community better. But before that, objective is to generate more value for the gold members, generate more value for the advisory board as well. That is most important, because we फ्लाइट में बोलते हैं ना, पहले खुद को खुद को लगाओ ऑक्सीजन, फिर किसी और को दो. So that is whatever advisory board is contributing. First of all, everybody should get satisfaction out of it. Then only this becomes a passion. Then only if you are happy about what you are doing, then only we can help others and make others happy. That's most important. So if you have any suggestions, recommendations for making the advisory board better, or the system better, or the process better, let us know all those suggestions, and we'll try to implement that first, and then we'll try to solve these problems which are coming up. But this is the right step in the right direction. If people so educated, so experienced like all of you are discussing together for common problems, definitely 100% we will make this system better than all other systems.
Definitely, Shishir. I think we planned to meeting once in 2 weeks or so.
Right. So
Initially, we planned it so that we
right.
can decide the day and time. So that alternate week we can have a meeting and then discuss on challenges. And also our community managers and other people who are closely interacting with our gold members and that bronze members, they have some concerns or points raised by others. If they list those also, we can work on that. What kind of things we can do along with this point. That what my
Very, yeah, very rightly said. So I will request the people who are interacting, SL team who is interacting with gold members, Shrankla, Malini, and others, I will request them to write down the challenges or the feedback or any negative questions or negative things, people or dissatisfaction that gold members are getting, to solve first. And we will put that everything transparently into the advisory board, so that the right solutions, and if in case anything is technically not feasible or any challenges we have, structural challenges from startup lanes, I will also share those, so that we bring in transparency and we go about the right solutions.
sure, Shishir. That helps.
All right.
Yeah, Abhishek, you can share your thought with others.
No, that's perfectly fine. I think let's, as this is the first meeting, let's try to go deep dive, and before reaching to any conclusion, let's reevaluate the existing challenges, and then with 360 degree parameter, we can suggest some kind of recommendations.
If I may, before we actually do the deep dive, I think we should just put some structure That's what I would recommend. While the problem statement was clearly laid out by Shishir, I just want to check currently, do we have any performance indicators for each of, let's say, these roles? Let's say we said that, one of the problems being gold members do not, or other leads are not shared in the system. All right. So currently, is there any metric that we are, looking at or tracking to see how many leads are published on or are published in the group for every 1,000 members that we have?
So last month we created customer engagement department, and this department was given to Malini, and she is keeping a track of how many gold members got the leads, how much engagement has happened. But we are still developing, in process of developing a system, or rather an SOP for this, because it's a very new department. Right now we are trying to figure out who has got the lead, whether the lead has been closed or not, and if they provide us some data, how much business got generated. This will bring in more transparency, some data points, and accordingly some satisfaction to the gold members.
Yeah, absolutely.
This has been started, but very less data is available because it is recently started. We are still figuring out the right SOP for it.
I think Shishir now Malini is connecting the people, the gold members, to the person who is requested for the requirement. But after that, she may be having the data till that point of time. Whether this particular person has contact him, and what kind of feedback, those kind of information, we may not have. I feel that.
Right. If it got
See how
fulfilled
we are
or
doing.
not, and for what reason, could Startup Lanes could we have played a role, or probably, it was not beyond our control. If we have that kind of data, I think it makes sense. And I think talking about member satisfaction, it makes sense for us to maybe on a monthly basis publish some metrics to the entire group saying that, last month, the community generated maybe 3,000 leads, out of which, maybe 2,000 leads were fulfilled internally, and X amount of monies were saved, or X amount of satisfaction was generated. I mean, it will be very encouraging, and I think that's how the engagement will can get better within the group.
Definitely. So another challenge that I was facing is Malini is bit experienced and married and having other house responsibilities. So I'm giving it to a younger lady. So she is unmarried and she has more time available. So probably she will replace and spend more hours into this system for the leads. And let's see how this goes. But yes,
Who is taking now, Shishir, from Malini? Who is taking over?
She has joined recently. She's I do not remember her name. Now staff is increasing. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I must remember everybody's name, but I'm sorry. It's my bad. I do not remember her name, but she will be taking over maybe in a day or two. She has already started, this in Telegram. So with WhatsApp, we'll be starting very soon. So she will be taking over, and she can spend more hours. In fact, yesterday night she was working till 11:48. So that kind of energy we require as of now. So that's why it's a bit change that we have done. I worked it late night, and I'm doing everything for making this system better. Almost back to back, I have call morning to evening. Just before your call, I had a Bharat OS call, and after this call, I have a call. So I can, if I have 48 hours in a day, I can invest 48 hours. But unfortunately, I have 24 hours. Definitely, with the support that I'm getting from the entire community, with people like you on board, we can definitely achieve more heights and generate more value.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the problem statement has been laid out now. I think the only thing that we need from your end now is basically a midterm and a long-term goal for, as in, this is a problem, all right? So this problem will be solved over a period of time, but then, come say March or come say May 2021, where do we want to be? and that should be measurable, right? And that's why I was asking if we have any numbers around it. So yeah, so once we know the problem, and once we know which way we have to head, the processes will come into play. We'll drive compliance. We'll oversee, and we'll get there, Shishir, right?
Right. What's your advice, sir, Hiten sir? You are on mute.
Yeah, what has come to my mind is, Startup Lane has done so many wonderful things, but nothing has been written about it. So we should write about it and distribute this to the media by way of press releases. So at least that branding gets done for Startup Lanes. Then maybe you can do some interviews on TV if they find the news newsworthy. I believe it will help in your global branding also, because these press releases can be distributed overseas. There are certain packages that we need to take for distribution. Each and every milestone, each and every feather in your cap should be written about. This is what I feel. And this should be conveyed to the media. And media should write about it. Media should publish it. That's how you'll get your growth. That's how you'll get your global business. That's how there'll be more visibility for Startup Lane amongst the media or the other stakeholders. This is what I feel.
So unfortunately, we did not have a PR department, but recently, just a day ago, we have thought about creating one. We are creating a PR department, and I have made myself available to join meetings of other communities, and specifically the large ones. So I used to receive a lot of invitations from IITs, IIMs, and I always declined it gracefully because of unavailability. But yes, you are 100% right. Startup Lanes needs more visibility, and for that we need to go to media also. Plus, we need to do some organic presence, and definitely we will take the help of advisory board as well as our regional directors, corporate cell, because I cannot be present in all those meetings. So anybody who is willing to help and support can represent Startup Lanes in those communities. Communities could be universities. We get a lot of invitations from IITs. We get a lot of invitations from corporates. I'm glad to tell you that corporates are also. I'm not a motivational trainer, or neither anybody in Startup Lanes depict to be, but they invite us to motivate their teams in becoming entrepreneurs. That means the employees who work like, who think like entrepreneurs. Now corporates are thinking about it, and that's great. We used to decline those offers, but now we will consider those offers, and we'll focus upon PR. In fact, we were not having an Instagram channel or page, I'm sorry. We have recently created our Instagram page, and we are posting some content there. So might be it is picking up popularity. We might be able to increase our reach, and I'm sure the more reach we have, everybody benefits. Everyone will definitely benefit, and we will definitely consider those packages. Mm, uh, Moreover, yeah.
No, please go ahead. Once you finish, then I'll speak.
Moreover, what I personally wanted to do is I personally wanted to uh, do a propaganda when we win the competition in terms of number of fundings. Lot of people don't know how many funding Startup Lanes has done, and for that we have in fact we are creating a large team. Large when I say, around 15 investment bankers are being added to SL Angels, which is our angel network, which is in comparison to others is a big team. 15 investment bankers will be joining this month itself, and 100 investment bankers will be joining NRI Angels, which is our angel network for NRIs and PIOs. And this is because we want to, when we say funding, branding, and sales, funding comes first. We want to actually mean it, that yes, we mean funding seriously. And then we want to do a very good propaganda after doing that work. So we have this expectation that we'll be able to raise funds for 50 startups in a span of next 6 months after the team gets activated. Let us see. It is a very high target if you compare with overall numbers in India, but I hope we will be able to achieve it. And then we will be definitely, every funding that we do, we will be requiring the PR activity. In fact, AgriPad kind of projects in itself, where 47 founders have joined, and this is taking over, the entire gamut of agriculture, is also the big thing. We created world's first integrated startup, and we are creating another big project which is bigger than AgriPad, with 12 integrated startups in one. So we will be needing PR activities because that will require large participation for teams, and definitely I'll connect you with offline for this, sir.
And what startups are those, Shishir ji?
The new one,
Yeah, the new one.
entirely technical,
Okay.
a technology ecosystem which is nowhere there in the world. This is a
Wow.
very long, I have been dreaming about it since last 10 years. I tried this physically. It required a huge capital, not
Mhm.
possible. And, I tried it, I invested some money, but now we will do it in a virtual mode. So lot of planning is going behind this. I will share maybe in next 15-20 days. Very good project, amazing project, and purely tech. That was a
Excellent.
combination of 12 startups together.
Excellent. That's really great to hear. So, Shishir ji, you were talking about the colleges. So, I mean, that is a very near and dear thing which you have spoken. So far, I have mentored close to 25 lakh students across India. And because of this pandemic, like a panda, I'm sitting at home and trying to do it virtually. But mentoring students have been something very close to me. I was honored by Ahmedabad government, Orissa government, and Telangana government for honoring. And while we are speaking, tomorrow morning also in Hyderabad, there is a huge event which is happening. So I'm speaking there as well for 10-15. So such things like that, please let us know. And I think there is no better way to learn, and there is no better way to mentor the youth, because our youth is going to be the leaders of the nation in coming generations. So there is no better way to do something back to the nation, and youth is something, is the best place to go. So this initiative, along with all our team members, definitely, I would love to drive that as well.
लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं शिशिर कितना इतना टाइम लाते कहाँ से हो? I think I should learn from you. 25 lakh students, Guinness record बना लिया आपने. You are part of 3 incubations simultaneously by SL. You are part of AgriPad Foundation. You are chapter director for SL. And besides that, you are doing several other things. आपके पास इतना टाइम कहाँ से आता है?
अब मैंने बस सिर्फ दो ही चीज लाइफ का, मेरा आप सीक्रेट आप सबको बताती हूँ, सिर्फ दो ही चीज है शिशिर जी। खैर, आपके मुकाबले में तो आपसे मैं इंस्पिरेशन लेती हूँ, बट सबसे पहले आई हैव लर्नड इट इज योर पैशन एंड कमिटमेंट. सेकंड थिंग इज teamwork. I mean, I have been privileged enough to have great teams in every startup, and that's how, where your weaknesses are, they'll manage. Where their weaknesses are, we manage. So I have learned in life: focus, commitment, and teamwork. If these three things are there, you can do wonders. आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखना है. आपके स्टूडेंट हम ही हैं, श्रीराम सर हैं, there are a lot of so many people here. So I think this is my, I would say, age and time, because I aspire to become top 10 influential women in the world. And so glad that I'm connected with such a big ecosystem. Easily हो जाता है, अगर आप commitment करोगे और focus करोगे, हो जाता है easily.
Inshallah, God bless you definitely.
Thank
Very
you.
true, very
Thank
true,
you.
very true.
And
Thank you.
in fact, I have to learn a lot. I'll share some. My father used to say, it's a secret I'm sharing. My father used to say, tell me, बेटा दोस्त बनाओ तो अपनी से उम्र के बड़े लोगों को बनाओ. This I used to stay with smaller kids. बचपन की बात है, छोटे बच्चों के साथ रहता था. Because that gives me a feeling of power. कि उनको 2 थप्पड़ मारे, वो जो मर्जी मैं बोलूंगा वो करेंगे. Because I am a Leo, no? Aggressive, dominating nature ऐसा बचपन से था. And my father saw it and he said, no, you're wrong. You should stay with people who are more experienced, elder than you. Those should be your friends. And my dad, when he was 21, he used to have friends of 50 plus years. And the same thing he told me, stay with people who are more experienced, elder than you, keep learning. And I have been following that. And I took that very seriously. If you count my friends, you will be amazed. मेरे से छोटे तो बहुत कम सा, बहुत ही कम, एक दो. Most of my friends are people who are elder to me, and I always learn. I always try to learn new things, because that's how I can manage. Perfect तो कोई भी नहीं होता. और ये सब संभालने के लिए या इतना बड़ा सपना देखने के लिए we need to have people support, we need to have knowledge. Lord Shiva said, Mata Parvati asked, what is the most important possession? सबसे अमूल्य क्या है? What is the most important possession a man can have, or anybody can have, even devtas? And Lord Shiva said, Gyan. If you want to live forever, अमर होने का ज्ञान. If you have to win the world, जीतने का ज्ञान. Whatever you want to do, ज्ञान is the best knowledge, and nothing is comparable to knowledge. And we stop ourselves sometimes when we think, या मुझे तो सब आता है, या सामने वाले को कुछ नहीं आता, या मुझे कुछ सिखा नहीं सकते. And that is the day when we start killing our opportunities. I'm just trying to share. In fact, मुझे तो आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ सीखना है, but I'm trying to share whatever I know. And I've learned this. My Dadi ji, she was an entrepreneur, businesswoman plus entrepreneur. Olden days, she used to wear a sari. She was uneducated, but she was an entrepreneur. My Dadaji was a freedom fighter, so he was not interested in business. In fact, he lost his eyes and he was not able to work. My Dadiji, she operated large businesses, and I have learned from her. One thing, just out of बात कर ही रहे तो ये भी आपसे शेयर करूं. My Dadi used to say, बेटा बैल का खिलाया कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाता. And the context is, whatever you invest upon your employees, whatever you invest, your time, your money, your hopes, your expectations, these are also investment, will not be going waste if your intentions are good. गलत काम करने के लिए सिखाएंगे तो वेस्ट होगा, but if the intentions are good, and that is what we believe at Startup Lanes as a part of our culture. We don't have any machinery to operate for scaling up. We don't have any buildings to operate. Whatever is our investment is the intellectual property that we generate in our people. Our regional director, chapter director, the in-house team of SL, now extended to the advisory board, now extended to the corporate cell. जो सब लोग साथ में हैं, उनके दिमाग में जो कुछ है वही हमारी इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी है. Whatever knowledge you guys have, whatever knowledge I have, together is the intellectual property, because startup lanes as a network cannot scale up by buying machines or buildings. Possible ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. And this model is actually built upon the model which is the man's largest possession, most important possession, most precious, knowledge, talent. And that is how I believe this system will grow definitely to new heights every day, and which is we have come a long way. We started with our first event in Pune. In fact, first event was in Noida. Randomly, out of just a thought, I invited 20 people, but objective was serious and the mode of operation was serious. I appointed 2 community managers for one WhatsApp group with around 30-40 people. I invited 20 of them. No, all of them, 20 of them came. And out of those 20, I'm proud and glad to tell you, everyone, when Startup Lanes got created, became a part of us, including Monica Kalwani. She was the first person who called me and joined as a regional director after we started in Pune, because Pune was our pilot, remotely started, and that became very successful. The intentions were good, and we never looked back. Every month we have been adding more cities. Every month we are generating new opportunities. Now the high level idea or the aim objective is to support the country in generating 20 crore jobs. I don't know how many we will be able to, but yes, you all will be glad to know that we have brought 100 entrepreneurs into our Startup Lanes incubations. And these 100 entrepreneurs, if one person generate 5 jobs as expected by Honorable Prime Minister, then it converts to 500 jobs. So this is a good start, and definitely we will constantly increase this. And that's all from my side.
Shishirji, I was thinking one photograph of all the handsome gentlemen. We'll create one graphic of all the SL board advisories and share it with the entire SL team with your permission.
That is going into the brochure.
Okay, excellent.
सबका एक ही brochure. This is the main brochure. No other version of the brochure. Advisory boards, everybody's photograph will go into that brochure with your names. Sure. And right now regional directors are there. Now corporate advisory board corporate cell advisory board both will go into the brochure. And like you said, if we can also have one separate graphic for it to be shared in all the communities, we can do that.
Sure.
Anybody would like to volunteer for it?
I'll only volunteer as long as I get everybody's. I'll take care of it. No worries.
Time मिल जाएगा आपको ये करने का सब?
हाँ, मेरे बच्चे कर देंगे.
अच्छा, ठीक है, फिर करवा लीजिए.
Let's
do this, and we'll post it on our social media. We welcome the advisory board member team. Sure.
So I already have everybody's designation in that Excel sheet. I'll share once I have the photographs. I'll make one graphic and share it with everybody. Once they approve, then we can share it officially. As well as your photograph also, Shishir ji.
Mine is there. मेरा तो एक ही photograph चलता रहता है सब जगह. LinkedIn
आप भी दे दीजिए. अब थोड़ा आप भी अपनी पब्लिसिटी सीख लीजिए. वो आप थोड़ा इतने सालों से कर नहीं रहे हैं.
अभी जो थोड़ा सा टाइम मिल जाए, मैंने सोचा तो है, because for the benefit of the entire ecosystem, I will start doing that.
जी.
Shrinkala, you can check with that 2 persons who had joined, not even once joined, Rajesh Gupta and Sudesh Ka, their interest, and then we'll decide on that. Shishir, total of there are 13 members are shown interest initially. Out of them, now we 9 are present for the first meeting. Now 7 are here. Some persons who is present in the first meeting missing over here. Both the meeting, Rajesh Gupta and is not present. That's what we have to check it their interest accordingly, whether they are going to contribute, we can add them over here.
Yes, sir.
I just maintained one attendance also, just I created, because as a part of these things, number of meetings and all. No, I'll do one thing. I'll create a Google Drive and create these things in the group. If everybody put your email ID, I can give the access so that we can put our action plans on what kind of the alternate week we can have a meeting like that we decided. So that if you come with some action plan, all those things we can have a track. That would be great for among us. So after this meeting, if all of you give that your email ID, so I will give access to the Google Drive so that everybody will be, it's open, transparent. Everybody can now I just put in the same Excel sheet already. I 2 weeks attendance I just tracked over. Some kind of action plans we can decide, and we have to decide when we can meet. So alternate week we told which day is convenient, and is this 4 p.m. is convenient for all, or that we have to decide?
Time and day, yes, sir.
Day.
I would also request everybody to decide one day and one time for the meeting. Alternate weeks, let's have the meeting, sir.
Thursday
And-
4 p.m. we met earlier.
Yes,
The
sir.
same date and time is okay, or the members will some other day will
And
be
if team
convenient?
wants to meet more frequently, we can go about it, but I may not be present because I have lot of meetings. So, but if Sri Raman and Abhishek.
Well, that
are
depends
available-
upon the some action plan needs weekly means we can meet it. That will decide in a course of time. Ashish. To start with, anyway, the next week, this week Diwali is there. Next week we can see that which day, and if Thursday 4 p.m. is convenient for all. Earlier we met 2 meetings on Thursday only. Because the Friday
Sir,
we
I'll
have,
post it in the group. I'll post it in the WhatsApp group. Everybody, if everybody agrees, I'll have it.
no,
like,
now we
schedule
are
for-
7 are here. If
Yes,
these
sir.
agrees or few more there things,
I
I should
think
again.
Thursday, Friday, either of the days is okay.
Friday we are having one gold members meeting at
Yes, sir.
every week 4 p.m. So that like clashes will be there with that.
It's fine.
This meeting, lot of people are not coming, no, Shankla?
Yes, a gold members meeting. We see not so much of participants are not there, sir.
Friday is a kind of a difficult day.
Shall we skip this week's gold member meeting?
Anyway,
Sriram?
this week Friday will be I think
Day
Friday is
before
being a
Diwali.
Diwali, people may not present.
Yeah,
Right?
no,
This week
yeah,
we can skip.
best to skip.
Okay. All right, Shankla, noted.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go with Thursday? Otherwise,
So Thursday, 4
Thursdays-
p.m. for advisory board. Is it fine for all?
Yeah, Thursday 4 p.m. is works for me.
For me.
okay,
Yeah, it's okay.
yeah, fine.
Good. Perfect.
Lubna, ma'am?
Yeah, you freeze
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Alternate weeks we can have a
Oh,
Shrinkala.
it's alternate week,
Yes,
so
sir.
it'll
Alternate
be fine.
weeks.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Make sure you're there.
Okay.
Shrinkala,
All right.
you will schedule the meetings. Meeting scheduling you will take care. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'll
fine.
schedule the meeting, sir.
Right. Thank you, Shishi.
Thank you all.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
great discussion today.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Thank you,
coming.
Yeah, pleasure meeting.
Bye.
Yeah, bye bye all.
Thank you,
Thanks.
everyone, for joining.
Thank you.